Hey everyone, welcome back to Adventures with Edna. I'm Chris, and as you can see, we're having very lovely weather today, which means it's a test day. In the last video, we we resealed the gasket around here, and the other one in the windshield. So since it's raining, we might as well see if those are leaking. Alright, so the first leak check is going to be back here. So, like I said, you can't really see where it was coming in, but there's, when you look at this head on, you don't really see that there's a gap underneath there. And the seat itself kind of hides the seam right there. So everything comes down behind all that where you can't really see it. And then it somehow manages to get into my little toolbox back here, which is where I keep rags, and you can kind of see that a couple of the tools got some rust on them because this was filling up back here, but it feels dry because I lined the inside of this. I found this at Wal-Mart in the tool section. It was like toolbox liner, and then I sprayed spray adhesive in here and then cut all this to fit under this tiny little lip, and so that way nothing's rattling around here making a bunch of noise when you're driving. But anyway, it's been filling up with the rain, and it still leaks out because there's a seam right here that runs up here, so it doesn't, it fills up but it doesn't leak out super fast. But anyway, so you can see there's a little bit of rust down in there, but it feels dry on this side. Let's check the other side. So it feels dry in here. It's been raining all night, but it feels dry, so we may have fixed that, hopefully. The other one wasn't really a leak, just so much that this wasn't glued on. You can see that's nicely glued back on there. And the last leak was coming from over here, and we determined that there was a big gap right here, so that was probably a good reason why it was coming in through here, and then it leaks on my foot. But that doesn't seem to leak unless we're driving, so we're going to take a little test drive here and accomplish some things on said test drive. So now we're going to go into two birds, one stone. So we're going to take our test drive, but we're also running an errand. Very little special boy named Remy, my good friend Stephen Garcia. No relation. Where is he? His birthday's today, so we're gonna go see if we can find him a nice toy for Star Wars, because he's a big Star Wars fan. He is turning 2 today, so happy birthday to Remy. So we're gonna test drive and see if we got any leaks, and we're gonna get him a toy. So let's go. Nice cold rainy day start. Come on, Edna. I don't know why, but I'm always hesitant to use the choke for no particular reason. Alright, so this other leak it typically runs down the emergency brake handle and leaks onto my foot. So hopefully my shoe will stay dried. So we'll find out once we get moving. So another issue that we're having is the clutch return spring broke the other day when I was going to pick up Chance from karate, and it just came off in the middle of the road. I wasn't sure what had happened at first. I just felt like when I went to push the pedal that there was like a quick popped like something broke, and it was kind of a while before I shifted again, before I knew what was actually wrong. But as you can see, the pedals are at the same height right now. So the clutch pedal is not returning all the way up. So it's the clutch. I looked underneath. The clutch return spring is gone. It's not still hanging under there, so I'm gonna have to order a new one. But it's still drivable. It's just that the pedal is just sitting down too low. So we're gonna have to order a new one, or go to Advance and see if any of the universal ones look like they'll work. I haven't decided what I'm gonna do yet. I don't know if anybody can recommend a good anti-fog. One of the reasons Edna's not that fun to drive in the rain is because the windows fog up really bad. I've used regular Rain-X in here, but it doesn't seem to have much effect on fog. I saw... Why'd the window wiper stop? Hey. Great. So now we have no wiper. But anyway, the wiper... I lost my train of thought now that the whole wiper stopped on me. Anyway, so I saw online that Rain-X makes an anti-fog, but I haven't tried any yet. Maybe we'll check real quick while we're at Walmart. Walmart's got everything. That's why nobody likes it. So you can see the wiper stopped. So that's great. Probably just a fuse. Yeah, what else would it be? Anything else not working? Wal-Mart. Place for people to meet. Although the windshield looks so wet, looks like a big blur. So the last time Edna's wiper quit working, it turned out, it was in the Road to Nowhere video when we were coming back, it turned out that the wiper blade had just kind of backed out. But you can't hear that when the engine's running, so let's test it with the engine off. Okay. I don't know how well you guys can hear that. But apparently did the same thing. So there's a simple fix for that. So this is just backed out, which isn't a super big deal. Maybe I should put some Loctite on it or something to help keep it in there. But anyway, all we have to do is put that back down there and simply just smack it a few times like that. A couple lub taps, and we're good to go. Good old Wal-Mart. Okay, I think this is different than what I have at home. Because I think I have the glass cleaner, but it's in a yellow bottle. And the steps seem different on this. So this may not be the same thing as that. So maybe I need this. I'm gonna have to research this further. But they don't have the anti-fog. Alright, the toy aisle. Ooh, Star Wars. Ages 4 and up. Remy's 2. Let's keep looking. I wonder if it's James Bond. No, keep looking. Darth Vader. It's a plush Darth Vader. Maybe you'll like him. He's probably already got that, because I know he likes him. But does he have wind-up Grogu? Mandalorian mystery box. Chance likes these. But for Roblox. Alright, this seems like the way to go. And for anybody thinking that he's going to see this video before he gets the present, he's 2. And the party's like in an hour. So by the time this video comes out, he will already have received it. So we're good. There gets some wrapping paper too. Can't remember if I had any at home or not. Alright, we're out of here. It's starting raining then. Edna always looks good. Alright, we got presents. Hopefully a functional wiper blade. There we go. It's not going too bad so far. It doesn't appear we have any leaking. My foot's still dry. Again, ignoring the wiring. We're getting back to that. I promise. The windows are fogging up bad again. We're going to put the window down for now. But we got the heat on. So all went well. It's not raining super hard out here, it's just rainy. But anyway, we didn't have any leaks from what rain we do have, so that's definitely an accomplishment. My shoe is still dry, so that's another accomplishment. So hopefully we won't have any more issues in the future with leaking, other than the one that we still need to fix. So a very happy birthday to Remy. Can't wait to see you at your party. Thanks for watching Adventures with Edna, and we'll see you in the next one.